Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to launch Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. To launch Adobe Acrobat in your computer, you just have to follow these simple steps based on your operating system and what Adobe Acrobat version are you using. Is it going to be the web-based or the application? Now, if you're using the web-based, all you're going to do is click the sign in button right here. Click that and you would be forwarded to the sign-in options we're in. All you have to do is log in using your credentials. If you're using the Google, Facebook, or your Apple, or you might be using your Microsoft, Line, or Kakao account. Now, if by any chance you haven't had the option to create an account, you might want to do so by clicking this button. You see, these are some of the options wherein you can start your free account in Adobe Acrobat. But of course, we're going to use this and we're going to continue Google so we can launch the Adobe Acrobat as the web version. And from here, you will be forwarded to the Adobe Acrobat platform, which is going to be the web-based. All right, just wait for it. It'll take a little time depending on your active internet connection. You see that? And from here, of course, you can edit the PDF that you wanted. Now, you can edit the PDF document once you have launched the Adobe Acrobat in the web version. Now we're going to launch the Adobe Acrobat on the desktop or your computer. Now for us to be able to do that, I want you to go to the start menu, click the start button, Windows logo in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now if you want, just type here to search and type in Acrobat. You see that? And all I have to do is click on the app. It will launch easily from here. Now, having said all of that, you see you can create a desktop shortcut. If you have a shortcut desktop, simply click that. For example, let's try to pin the taskbar so it's a lot easier for me to open. All right. If you've opened that to your taskbar, just click the Adobe Acrobat icon directly from the taskbar. All right. If you're using a Mac, that's going to be a different process because on your applications folder, just find the Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader, double click and open to app. If you're using for mobile device, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for it once it's installed, and you will be able to launch the Adobe Acrobat without any problems. And again, once you have launched the Adobe Acrobat, you can now edit the PDF here because Adobe Acrobat offers tools for editing text or PDFs, images, and even links within this platform. You can modify a document, correct errors, or even add notes and annotations without any problem. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.